Installing Stable Diffusion is much easier than you think. I prove it with a crazy challenge. Let's go. Fooocus is a version of a Stable Diffusion that is super powerful, super easy to learn, and got a really friendly interface. Here on this channel, you are gonna learn how to create amazing project for architecture. Trust me, you don't wanna miss this. And to prove it, I've got a challenge for you. This project right here that I showed it in my first video on this channel. And I use this AI to completely clean up everything in front of the main ground. And here is the deal. If anyone out there can do this job with any other AI on the market and make it look as perfect as I did, I give away my full Stable Diffusion course as a prize. Sounds fair? Alright, now let's jump to the screen.
Alright, to download this tool, I'm in Fooocus. We'll start by typing its name here. Then we click on the first option that appears at the top. A new page will open. It's a GitHub page. Now we are not going to touch anything at the top of this page. Just scroll down a bit until you reach the download for Windows section. Clicking on that will start the download. It's a zip file about 2 GB. According to the developers, the minimum system requirements to run this AI are 8 GB of RAM and 4 GB of VRAM. But of course, that also depends on the graphics card you are using. They have listed some compatible graphics cards and minimum requirements right here on this page. So you can check this section to see if your computer can handle running this AI. Ideally, it's better to have 8 GB of VRAM and 16 GB of system RAM. But the minimum setup might still work. Just read through the specs and notes on the page to get a good idea of whether you can use this AI or not. As you can see, the download has started. The AI is about 2 GB in size. Once it finishes downloading, you will have a zip file that needs to be extracted. If you don't already have WinRAR installed, go ahead and download it. It's free and easy to find online. Just search download WinRAR and download the 64-bit version directly from their official website. Once you have downloaded it, install it and you are good to go. To unzip the AI file, just right-click on the zip file and select extract here. It will start extracting right in the same folder. After that's done, a new folder will appear. Open that folder. Note that if you have a VPN on, turn it off. This AI doesn't work properly with VPNs. Next, double-click on the Run option. Once you do that, it will start installing and downloading some AI models. Just be patient while it completes the part. Once the models are downloaded, the tool will automatically open in your browser. The whole process needs about 6.6 GB of free space. If everything goes well, the tool will handle this automatically. Once the download finishes, the browser will open automatically, and the AI will start running. I will show you what it looks like after the setup is done. I'm going to fast forward through this part until we reach the final step. Alright, it's open now. If the browser doesn't open automatically for you, there is a link here that you can copy and paste into your browser manually. Just copy it with Ctrl+C, go to your browser, press Ctrl+V, hit enter, and you will go to the same page. This is the main screen of this AI. From here, you can easily start generating images.
If you run into any problem while installing the AI, just leave a comment down below and I will answer all of them one by one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.